Look at this video.
Believe with every step. Oh yeah!
You got me right.
I still got you. Woo-hoo! Ian Lightfoot is fearless.
This is amazing.
Yeah, but just keep going. Don't look back. Just straight ahead.
Still got the road right.
Yeah, I got it.
I am not afraid. This last step is for you.
This was not just for entertainment. This is practically faith in exhibition. There are powerful lessons that stood out here you need to learn right now. The first thing is that when he started, his friend got him on the rope, right? His friend was holding the rope, okay? And he was just trying and going and going. And then came the advice or instruction from his friend. Believe with every step. Believe with every step. Not just the first step, not just the second step, not even the 20th step. Believe with every single step. Now, before I talk about the other lesson here, this is where it's important when you're having faith or when you're walking with faith, okay? With faith, you don't have to believe that. Let's just take, for example, you are a content creator and you upload your first video on YouTube or any platform, and you're believing that, okay, if I just upload this video right now, it's gonna blow up. Or let's just say you are looking for a job and you'll be like, if I just apply for this job, I'm just gonna get the job. At a point, things caught up, things become difficult. Then you start doubting yourself. You start losing that faith you started with. You start losing the energy. You see this guy, when he started the journey, he had so much energy. When he got to the middle of the road, the rope snapped. And when this happened, something that the friend did amazed me so much. The friend kept yelling at him, there you go, keep going, believe with every step, keep going, don't look back. Because he already know that the rope is no longer there. Now, how do we apply this in real life? Make sure that the kind of people that you surround yourself are the people that still believe in the same goal and dream you are pursuing. Because if this guy didn't actually believe that the friend will actually achieve this thing, he would have just start screaming or start feeling scared or even tell the friend, oh, the rope has snapped or the rope is no longer there. Bro, you are in danger and everything. But he just allowed him to walk with faith because he knew that it was not that rope that was actually holding the guy. So the friend believed in him even more than he believed in himself. So make sure that your friends, your family, the kind of people you are discussing your purpose, your dreams, everything you are trying to build, make sure they are faith boosters. They are people who will help you when the time comes. Make sure there are people who will sit there at the sideline instead of judging you, instead of telling you how bad you are at this job, instead of telling you how bad you are on camera, how bad you are on writing, how bad you are on speaking, how bad you are in doing all this or all that. But they will be there clapping for you, even when you are failing, even when you are struggling. They will be there encouraging you, clapping, cheering you up, telling you to believe with every step, telling you to continue going, telling you not to look back, telling you to forget about the failures that you are seeing right now, but to just focus on the purpose, telling you to continue going, holding on, don't lose hope, don't give up right now. Another important part of that video is that when the guy took a turn to look at his friend when he was about to take the final step, that was when he now understood that the rope was no longer there. And imagine this. The rope caught almost at the middle of the whole thing, but he walked right from the middle to the finish line without the rope and nothing happened. He didn't even notice that something was wrong. He didn't even notice that the rope was not there. He didn't even notice that he was walking on his own because the friend was there boosting him. That is what happens when you have people who love you, people who are in love with what you are doing, people who have your interests at heart. Okay? If they are cheering you, if they are encouraging you, if they are boosting your faith, then you won't even notice when you are failing. You won't even notice when you are making mistakes. You just keep flowing. That energy and that fire will just keep burning. just as the way he started from the beginning. But when the guy now had that thing in his mind and he was like, wait, the rope is off? Are you kidding me? Then he almost fell. He almost slipped, and if not that he grabbed the distance faster, he would have just crashed down. Now that is the same thing that happens to us. Sometimes it gets to a point where we just look back and we'll be like, wait, seriously, I've made such a mess. I've made so much mistakes. Bro, am I the one doing this? Are you sure this will work? With all these mistakes, you start having that self-doubt, that self-discouraging voice will just start rolling and be like, bro, you've made too many mistakes, so this thing is not gonna work. You're wasting time here. And by that time, your energy will drop, your faith will drop, everything will drop. And if you don't take time, everything will just be washed out down the drain. Because doubt is one of the biggest destroyer of ideas and passion. Just keep believing. And one thing I want you to keep in mind right now is believe with every step. Believe with every video you are uploading. Believe with every application you are applying for the job. Believe with every project you are submitting. Believe with everything you are creating. Believe with every content. Believe with every book you are writing. Believe with every effort. Believe with every step. And I promise you, you will get there. And if you are not part of Zeno the Great family already, don't forget to subscribe. And always remember, there is something new to learn from life.